Designed to strike a balance between modernity and tradition, Makani aka Residence by Walker Warner Architects is a Hawaiian house with large pitched roofs top the structures. The design of the houses also takes cues from the country's hale shelters, wooden houses with pitched thatched roofs that met the ground. This house, which has native grass covering the lush site and surrounds, is located on the Big Island of Hawaii, on a hill overlooking the Pacific Ocean and nearby Maui Island. Depicts a traditional Hawaiian architectural arrangement, the family compound composed of 4 independent structures, including a cedar-clad main living pod. The siting balances the desire to host friends and family as well as privacy. The first volume seen from the site approach contains a garage and recreational room. The latter features a glazed corner with sliding panels that open onto the central courtyard. Using the traditional references with contemporary forms and materials, the home features western red cedar for cladding and the roof shingles because it can resist heat, moisture, and insects that are typical to the climate. Stained sapele mahogany is used for the window frames. A glass-enclosed living room provides ocean views and connects to a generous patio covered by the structure's overhanging roof. This connects to the kitchen and dining room. The guest suite is located across from the recreational room and garage. Two of the other structures contain bedrooms. The master suite is closer to the back of the property, offering the best views of the ocean and landscape. The master suite also includes a private courtyard and a library. The interiors of the home completed with vibrant fabrics and tropical accents to complement pale wooden surfaces on walls and ceilings. This area is a short walk away from the communal volume, which hosts the home's kitchen, living and dining room. Here's a look at the plan.